Hi everybody, it's me, Ivy, and I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you my BOXYCHARM and my Ipsy Plus from July, even though it's August 1st. Also, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and staying nice and cool because it's been very, very, very hot here in New Mexico. I don't know about where you are. Let me know, what's the temperature where you are today? Anyway, and I wanted to remind you about my giveaway because, thank you, that's why, just to thank all my subscribers. Anyway, my giveaway is also being announced Monday, and you can get all the details of the giveaway if you go to the video of mine. Just go to my page, this is not Facebook, go to my channel, and the one that says giveaway number 100. Okay, so let's dive into BOXYCHARM for last month. Okay, so for July, BOXYCHARM, bing bing. Okay, BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription for $21. You get 5 full-size products. They say 4 or 5. However, I've always gotten 5. Everybody I know has always gotten 5. So we're all happy about that. Please don't change that, BOXYCHARM. We love you just the way you are. Alright. Oh, and by the way, you can get a BOXYLUXE, which is $50 total. You have to be getting BOXYCHARM. You can opt to get also BOXYLUXE, which is just seasonal, I think. Yeah, just 4 times a year. And they put, like, I don't know, 10 or 15 products in there, something outrageous. Probably more, I don't know, I don't even know. The value is probably $300 or $400. Don't quote me on those numbers because I'm not sure. I haven't subscribed to that one because I'm totally happy with BOXYCHARM. This, my name is au naturel. A good way to be, au naturel, inside and out. Okay, so, it lists all the stuff here. Alright, so first off, what I got is the, come on, Luxie brushes. The Luxie Gaia 3-piece set. Okay, we know what to do with these. Put on our makeup. These are the 3. This, by the way, is biodegradable, which I think is fabulous. I think some of these places, just my opinion, I'm not asking for any arguments, but some of these places is entirely too much packaging, you know, and I'm much more impressed when a company has a good quality product inside and less fancy packaging. That's just me. It's nice if it's pretty, but it doesn't have to be elaborate to be pretty. Okay, now, this one I always use for my masks. This one's a little funky there, but I always wash my brushes before I use them, and I can reshape it then. Okay, so I put masks on with this. I never used these. I tried one time to use a brush like this for foundation, but it was a no-go. Oh, these have beautiful wooden handles too, which I also really like. I appreciate that. Let's save our earth. Okay, this is a cute little brush. Well, I think that's a small blending brush. Of course, they put it so light you can't even see that. What's it say? I'm half blind. I can't even. Precision. There you go. Precision crease brush. Yeah, I did good on that after about 5 minutes of holding it up. Anyway, so that's that brush. And then this one, this is a Luxie. Come on. Well, where's my magnifying glass? Oh, goodness. Found it. This one is a large eye blending brush. Holy smokes! That got some big giant eyes. Look at this. Okay, see the size of my eyes? Look how big this brush is. Well, I guess that's just, you know, for... Oh, you know what? After you're finished putting it all on, you can just kind of blend everything together with this. That's what this is good. It's very nice and soft. Great. Alright. Alright, then we have... I got the spa cleansing... The spa water cleansing little towelettes. And they clean your makeup and everything. They're wonderful. See if there's anything worthwhile on here. That's not to be rude. It's not to be rude, BOXYCHARM. But, you know, some of this is like you're already trying to sell us something that we've already got. We like it already. So anyway, Koji dough. These convenient cotton cleaning spa water thingies will clean your makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral rich cleansing spa water. And they have the herbs and stuff in them too, I'm pretty sure, from what I've already read. Okay, and the LMS. The LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And there's been nothing but rave reviews on this. I've not heard a bad thing about it. Yeah, this is for a gift for somebody. And so, I'm not going to say who. But she'll be getting it soon. Well, okay. It's my daughter. Don't tell anyone, because she won't even see this video anyway. I don't think she even knows I have a video channel. Anyway, so I'm going to give her this. These are $35, by the way, so this alone pays for the box. So that's wonderful news. Then two more things. The Butter London eyeshadow palette, which I think is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I can't wait. I'm going to use some of this, some of this. I'm going to do a little swatch. I'm not too swatch savvy. Okay, so the blue, oh my god. Oh, yes, that's gorgeous. Can you even see these? I don't think that, you know, I don't think the camera does these colors justice. This is kind of sparkly. And then the blue is matte, which you can tell that. Oh, there's the sparkle. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's kind of a green. Well, let's look what the name is. Star. And femme fatale. Well, how about you? I like it when they put the actual color names. It's nice. I love, you know, I love creativity, and I love for them to have some way out there names, funny names, whatever for them. But I also want to know exactly what the color is called, don't you? Let me know. Okay. Okay, so the next we've got the Santorini Lippy by Oprah. Oprah has really nice products. This is $21, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this is my take 2 of this video, because I pushed the wrong button last time. I don't know if I told you that yet. So let's try some of this on. I'll just have to do it in the computer. Oh, that's pretty. Looks like it's going to be much brighter than that, doesn't it? It's probably buildable. Oh, I never would have bought this color. I never would have bought a color like this for myself. And it turns out that it's very nice. I like it. Very pretty. Okay. Next box. Without me without me pausing the video but really turning it off and having to start over. Oh shoot, we're up to 10 minutes, so I'll hurry up, okay? You know what, I'm going to stop this one now. This is BOXYCHARM video, and I'll make another one right after this with the Ipsy, because I don't want to go much over 10 minutes. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you joined the giveaway, and I also hope you have a wonderful, fantastic evening. Love you. See you in a little bit.